Hi everyone, I'm Sean. For the past 6 years, Teshua Farms RVs has had the incredible honor of providing RV rentals to so many wonderful families across the Southeast. It's been an amazing journey that started during the COVID lockdowns, allowing a pumpkin patch to pivot into helping families safely explore the great outdoors. As many of you know, the founder of Teshua Farms, Mike Betz, has recently experienced some health issues. After a lot of prayer and consideration, Mike has decided it's time to retire and focus on his health. We are so incredibly grateful for his vision, his leadership, and the community he built. Effective August 31st, Mike will officially step down and close Teshua Farms RVs. But the adventure is far from over. Kim and I are so excited to announce that we are officially taking the wheel and launching our new business, Rolling Rhapsody RVs. If you've rented or consigned with us over the past few months, you've likely already been talking to us. We've been your primary points of contact, and we want to assure you that this is going to be a completely seamless transition. To our renters, under the new Rolling Rhapsody RVs banner, we are honoring all current reservations for the 2026 and 2027 season. Your vacations are safe, secure, and we're ready to go back to Dega. And to our amazing consignors and camper owners, we are here to continue supporting you. We will continue to care for your campers and keep your units thriving in our rental program. As we step into this new chapter, our vision for Rolling Rhapsody RVs is built around one simple idea: fewer screens, more campfires. We believe life is better when we unplug. We're on a mission to help you trade the daily grind for the great outdoors. We provide the camper, you provide the campfire. It's all about taking a step back from the chaos to reconnect with each other in God's beautiful world. We want to say a massive thank you for all the support you've given this business over the years. We truly couldn't have done it without you. We wish Mike and his family a bright and blessed retirement, and we can't wait to serve all of you under our new name. Be sure to follow this page, like this video, share it with your friends, and check out our brand new website for updates. We'll see you out there. Bye, everyone.